going to do a brownish smoked out eye look for the holidays. So I already moisturized my face earlier in the day. And I'm going to start with Mario Badescu. It is a facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. So it kind of re-moisturizes your skin as well as prepares it for primer, primes it for primer. Now once our face is dry, we're going to go with Fenty Beauty's primer. Cute little packaging. It's glass, so be careful when you travel with it because it probably could break. So I took about 2 pumps, starting in my T-zone. Also, say hello to this beautiful zit that appeared probably because I put fake tan on my face. Don't do that. So the other day at Sephora, I went and picked up Fenty Beauty. I'm using the color 170. Now the thing about this foundation that I've noticed is, like if you go to the store and test it, just this certain foundation, not necessarily other foundations, some do, some don't, but it oxidizes, and when it oxidizes, it turns a little bit darker. Whatever shade you think matches, try on one lighter, and then it's gonna match your skin perfectly. Once again, glass bottle, like the primer, super cute, chic. So this is called the Pro Filter Foundation by Fenty Beauty. It is a soft matte long wear foundation. Shake, 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 shake. See what I mean? Just my existence is knocking things over. Using my Huda Beauty face brush. Oh, that was a lot more. Okay, just getting started. So I place it around my face to begin with. See, originally that looks too light for my skin. Give me a second. As far as coverage, you got rid of my little brown spots, sunspots right here. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. In fact, one of my favorite foundations that's way cheaper in the drugstore, it's called Fit Me, and it's number 220, Maybelline, New York, and it's for normal to oily skin, but I think they have dried and normal skin too. Alright, this is the Marc Jacobs #1 Rendezvous Eye Concealer. I like it because it's got like a silver, ooh, that's dirty. I really like it because it's got a silver tip and it's nice and cool against your eye. It's nice and cooling for your under eye. It doesn't dry too fast, which is nice. Alright, I covered my zits actually really well. I forgot how much I love this concealer. So, going in with the LA Girl, this is Pro Conceal, but I use this as a contour. I use this as a cream contour to contour my nose. So using my Laura Mercier translucent, translucent setting powder. The purpose of baking is to prevent creasing on your under eyes and keep your under eye set in place for all day. Basically anywhere, your forehead, that you could get a weird seepage of foundation. I'm using my MAC 127. It's a two-sided brush. This side's a little more dense, this side's a little more fluffy. I'm using the fluffy side to just brush away the setting powder. Now I'm going to go in and do my eyebrows. Lately, I've been on a Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil kick. I don't know what number this is. I think I used, 4.5. So it has a spoolie on one end. So I'm just brushing out my curly eyebrows. I'm going in, the other end is like a twist up. I start in the middle, and I fill in lightly spots that are a little more sparse on my eyebrow. I pull it out a little. This eyebrow is shorter than this one, so I pull it out and make it a little bit on the side. Not my favorite eyebrow look right now, because I should have trimmed them, but I didn't. Regrets. Regrets. Have you ever seen that tattoo? The one where the guy says no, it's supposed to say no regrets, and instead they spell it wrong and it says no regrets. I say it all the time. Not sure how many people actually get the reference. Anyways, Revlon Brow Fantasy in dark brown? Yeah, dark brown. I kind of just run it through my brows, trying to get the curls to stop and stay. The Too Faced Shadow Insurance, the 24-hour anti-crease eye cream. Apply it straight to my eyelid and gently put it all over. You could probably apply this with a brush. I just find my fingers to be a little more convenient. Using my Sephora, mine's all dirty. I'm going to set the whole eye, probably with just this first powder, and gently tap into that, tap it out, and set my whole eye look. So next up, I'm going to take this fourth one into my crease as a nice transition shade. Taking the farthest right corner, I'm going to deepen the outer half of my crease. With with a cleaned off brush, JH33. Just kind of blend that so there's no harsh lines. I'm going to use this dark color. Taking the gold right here, wet. Yeah, that's a cool color. Blending it into the darker outer corner a little bit. And then I'm going to go back and darken up that outer corner again. Color right here. Second one. It's kind of shimmery, but not too much. this brownish color right here. Now using this brown right here, smoke the inner. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using my tried and true tattoo liner by Kat Von D, and it's a liquid liner, and my Pat McGrath Labs Permagel Ultra Glide eye pencil. So with the eye pencil first, I'm just going to line my waterline. Now tonight is not a great eyeliner night. Taking my Smashbox Superfan mascara. I always use, or put it on the bottom lashes first. Just put it on your top lashes and then try and do the bottom. Oftentimes the top lashes will get black marks on your top eyelid and it's really be bad. Almost there. Moving back to face products, I'm going to contour my face with the Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D. And I'm going to lightly tap into both this color and this color, two lighter colors. You hardly need any because you can blend up. It's better to put too little on it first than too much. Bronzer using the Marc Jacobs in 102 Tantric. Taking my giant domed brush with a light hand, I'm going to tap in just the top of my cheeks into the contour, the hairline, temples. I'm going to use a little bit of highlighter. I'm using the Resi, putting it in the corner of my eyes to make them pop a little more. About 2/3 of the way down my nose. And then a little dot at the tip of my nose. Grabbing my Sigma F30 brush and my NYX Ombre blush in Strictly Chic. It's actually really cute. It's peach. It looks a lot brighter than it is. Big fluffy brush. 1, 2, 3. Apples of the cheeks. Going in with the Tarte Rainforest of the Seas. This one comes out a little splotchy if you have it too close or if you didn't shake it. So hold it, I'd say like 14 inches away. Fia by Stila Cosmetics. These are hands down some of my favorite liquid lipsticks. And Kylie Lip Kits. Now I'm going to go in with the Ultra Glossy Lip by Moonchild, called Moonchild by ColourPop Cosmetics. So this is the final look. I think it's perfect for the holiday season as far as, you know, going out or going to a dinner or a friend's house to bake cookies, which I did with my 2 friends last night, and it was so much fun. We made so many cookies. My zits are gonna thank me for that later. But yeah, I'm gonna go watch some football, clean all these friggin' brushes, and eat some dinner. So I hope you guys enjoy your week. I'm going to be posting this during the weekday. I guess it's Sunday night while I'm filming right now, but I will be posting this for the week. Hit that red subscribe button before you go and hit the little bell next to it so you get notified every time I post. And if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, enjoy your week. Till next time.